Hey everyone, it's Ryan here with another tutorial. Today I'm going to be going over just the basics of how to start a server on Discord. Obviously there's so many more details, but I just want to show you how to start a server, how to kind of get across the basic setup of the server today in this really quick tutorial. Alright, so here I am on Discord on my desktop browser. So you can do this on Mac, you can do this on PC. I'm on discord.com on my homepage here. So what you want to do is you want to go over to this plus button and select add a server. From there, select create my own, and then you can kind of choose one of two options. I'm going to choose for me and my friends. From there, I'm going to type out the name of the server. If you want to add a picture, just select this button and it will take you to some options of what you can add. Then I'm going to select create. Alright, so now that we've done our test server, what you're going to do, go down to server settings. Alright, so here we are. What we want to do first is we want to go to our moderation tab. So we'll select moderation. And the reason we want to do this is just in case anyone's trying to add on our moderation here, we want to make sure that they are an actual user on Discord. Specifically here, we'll just set it at medium just to be safe. And so once we've done that, to kind of get our security going here, we want to select enable community. Oh, sorry, save changes first. And then select enable community. From there, let's select this button that says get started. Alright, so here we go. Verification level. Your server already meets or exceeds the verification level requirements. Great. Alright, now from here, it gives us the option to automatically scan and delete media sent that is not safe for work. And so I do want to do that for my channel. If you don't, for whatever reason, kind of have a not safe for work channel or make that difference, you don't have to check this. But for my channel, I do want to filter explicit media content. So I'm going to click next. And then from here, it's smart to start your own rules or guidelines channel when someone joins your server. And so if you want to, you can pick from the options here, which is create one for me or select it in general. I want to do create one for me just so there's a channel that says rules and guidelines that is separate. And same with this general community updates. We're going to want to have it selected create one for me instead of funneling that information into the general channel. All right, so select next. And then from there you have two options, which is the default notifications to mentions only, essentially only notifying you if you're mentioned, like it says here. And so I'm going to do that just so you don't get a bunch of notifications. And then here it says remove moderation permissions from @everyone. And I don't want to do that for my channel. All right. And now here we are with the community guidelines. Now in order to start and activate your channel, you do need to agree to a set of community guidelines that if I click on, it will kind of go through here and talk through all of it. All right, so I'm going to exit out of that and go back to my channel. All right, so I agree and understand these guidelines and finish setup. Great. All right, so here we are and our community is live. All right, so that is how you just get your overview server started. Now, of course, you can go through all these settings, and there's so many great settings that there's going to be a lot of how-to videos on, but what we're going to do here is just start with this basic server setup. So thanks for watching. This has been How to Start a Server on Discord. Don't forget to subscribe.